Next, we are going to hear it from Mr. Senthil Kumaran on his experience of this 100 days with success with communication.
Good evening, everyone. To all are present here, I am Senthil Kumaran, and today I am in my presentation. I would like to share about my 100 days learning experience in Success with Communication course. Before going into the course, I would share my experience with HAS Academy, why and how I selected HAS Academy. One of my friends referred me to this course. I was the last person to join this course. I remember that our coach did not accept my entry. She said that sufficient members already there, you can join with the second batch. Finally, she decided to allow after I have the assurance that I will cover up first class that I did not attend. I started attending the second class, but at the same time, I have practiced and written the first day vocabulary. I made some mistake in the first day lessons. She said that your sentences are correct, but you can use the same vocabulary. Then I followed the procedure and I did daily exercise. Next few days, I used the correct vocabulary and made the sentences. But she said that some of the words were not correct. You can refer to the dictionary and make the sentence. I had accepted our coach feedback and I did the exercise every day. During my journey of 100 days, I learned the following: vocabulary, grammar exercise, reading exercise, writing exercise, listening exercise, speaking exercise, and practice session during weekend classes. Let me explain my experience before I joined this course and after I joined this course. What I would learn and understand this course. Firstly, with respect to vocabulary, I have learned new vocabulary and their meanings. Before joining this course, I didn't know most of the words and their meanings. Now I have learned more than 150 new words and their meanings. Now I am thinking how to use and apply them in our day-to-day life. Second, regarding some grammar exercise. I only know very basic grammar before joining here. After I joined this course, I have learned how to use words and make the sentence. Part of speech like noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, article, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Grammar exercise on present tense, past tense, future tense, and their exercise. After having completed these exercises, now when I am writing in the sentence or reading any news in this newspaper, I know what kind of grammar they are using in the sentence and how to make the sentence on my own. Reading exercise was the most important exercise for all of us. When I read the sentence, first I understand the meaning, then only I can possibly understand the reading exercise. After completing this course, I have starting reading all the sentence carefully with confidence and started understand their meaning also. With respect to writing, earlier I used to make sentence, but I did not know how to write easy essays or expository topics. Now I learned how to prepare topic based on the content. This course also helped me to correct my mistake. Now I understand and corrected my mistakes and I do the writing exercise in a good way. Listening was the best exercise in this course. We hear something in audio format or video format first, then you will understand the words and meaning of the sentence and do the exercise pertaining to it. Speaking exercise is linked with the listening exercise. Don't speak fast. First, I understand the opposites of the conversation, then give my response. Overall, this is a wonderful course for me. I learned new things in this course and I am planning how to apply and use it our day-to-day life. I will practice continuously and I will achieve my goal for this year of 2021. This is the most important point. Low cost course material was good. I have additionally learned the following things in this course: dedication, participation, practice, hard work. I have completed all these exercises on the same day itself and coach marks makes that correction and reviewed with the comments on the same day. I'm sure, I'm confident this course is very useful in my life and I move forward and practice all the lessons. I will achieve my goal in 2021. Thank you very much.